Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change app icon on your iPhone. Simply at first open your settings, press on to general and open your software update. Make sure to update your iOS 26. I'm already updated my iOS 26. So long press in your blank screen, then you get edit option. Press on to edit, showing it to customize option, showing it to 4 different default, dark, clear and tint. If you want to select to clear, increase or decrease, font size, showing it to 3 different light, dark and auto option. Select any on. If you want to customize any color, and that's it. If you want to get back default, long press, edit, customize and default. That's it.